Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video of Bean Boys. Hope you're coping in this terrible pandemic. This video is going to be about how fast I can solve my Rubik's Cube. Most people in this world will be thinking, how do you solve a Rubik's Cube? It's not that hard when you think about it. You just need the technique and then, bam, just practice, practice, practice. Alright, so first thing that we need to do is jumble this Rubik's Cube up. So I'm going to give it to my brother here and he's going to jumble it up. Alright, finally we have our unjumbled Rubik's Cube, unsolved Rubik's Cube. Now we need a stopwatch. I'm going to get right here, right now. Right here. I'm going to pass it to my brother so he can put it on. So first I need to have a good look at the cube to see how I can solve it. So, yeah. Okay, and now I'm going to tell my brother to stop. Okay. Got it. Bam. Here it is, 1 minute 9 seconds. That's how fast I can solve my Rubik's Cube. If this video goes well and I get loads of likes, I'll probably upload a video about how to solve the Rubik's Cube and teach all you guys how to solve it. Hope you like this video. Smash that like button, and while you're at it, click that subscribe button at the same time. Bye.